I want to go to Sanju. I am very considerate in my use of language. I am very fair. I am telling you, Sanju, that today the big controversy is that Sharad Pawar is not accepting the fact there was a Kalma test. Congress is not talking about the fact there was a Kalma test. All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin, All India Muslim Personal Law Board को आज सड़कों में आके कहना चाहिए कलमा टेस्ट क्यों हुई, ये जिहादी सोच निकालो, ये गज़वाए हिंद जिहादी सोच, भारत विरोधी सोच, इसको बंद करो. इस पर बात नहीं करेंगे. मगर जब हजारों करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी वक्फ डिस्प्यूट पे आती है तो कहते हैं सड़कों पे चले जाओ. इंडिया इज अंडर अटैक बट वी विल बर्न द स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ दिस कंट्री एंड इट विल नॉट वर्क एनीमोर. संजू वर्मा इज ऑन द डिबेट. संजू.
Thank you. Arnab, first and foremost, I think you gave an excellent introduction and you addressed the elephant in the room. You know, I have been on a couple of debates on this horrifying Pahalgam terror attack and I'm appalled. You need to ask questions of the government. By all means, you have every right to do that. You want accountability? Of course. As bona fide Indians, we all want that. But I'm surprised and dismayed. But I'm at the same time, you know, quite amused by the hypocrisy of this entire left-leaning pseudo-secular cabal. Not once have they named and shamed radical Islamist terror for what it is. Hargobind Das was killed because he was a Hindu. Chandan Das was killed because he was a Hindu. Ankit Saxena during Shaheen Bagh was killed because he was a Hindu. Prashant and Praveen Pujari, poor flower sellers in Karnataka, were killed because they were Hindu. Ram Gopal Mishra was killed in Uttar Pradesh because he's a Hindu. Sachin Gopalan was killed in Kerala because he's a Hindu. Vinay Narwal now in Pahalgam was killed because he's a Hindu. Bitter Adhikari was killed because he's a Hindu. Prashant Sapati, he was killed because he's a Hindu. Manish Ranjan, he was killed because he was a Hindu. I can go on and on and on, but Arnab, I think you have nailed the elephant in the room. Look at the rampant hypocrisy of somebody like a Robert Vadra. He makes a shamelessly brazen statement saying, "Ye isliye hua," as in Pahalgam terror attack isliye hua because Muslims feel insecure. The word he used was insecure. Then he does not stop there. He says because Muslims feel weakened. I mean, are you telling me that if you feel
Robert Vadra and the Congress party, by saying so, have justified this attack? Robert Vadra has created a justification for the Pahalgam attack. The man should be put in jail. There should be a case against him under UAPA and NIA. Your government is too soft on him. He should have been jailed by now. He's providing a political and ideological justification for the killing of Hindus in Pahalgam by saying the problem is with Hindutva because Muslims are feeling weakened and that is why this attack has happened and that is why Hindus have been targeted. The man is not mad, he's dangerous, and I'm sure Sonia Gandhi and Priyanka Vadra and Rahul Gandhi have made him say this on behalf of the Congress party.
Also, you have to admit one thing. You know, we all know that military strategies are not going to be discussed on primetime television debates. The government will do what it needs to do. Let us not forget, thanks to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's conviction and willpower, we had the surgical strike in 2016. We avenged the Uri attack. We had the Balakot strike in 2019 to avenge the Pulwama horror. But I have to say this for the record. There is a completely irresponsible opposition that we have. They have been making reckless allegations for the longest time that Balakot to orchestrated tha. पुलवामा तो ऑर्केस्ट्रेटेड था, पठानकोट टेरर अटैक तो ऑर्केस्ट्रेटेड था, कुपवाड़ा और बारामुल्ला में जो टेरर अटैक्स होते हैं वो तो ऑर्केस्ट्रेटेड है, रजौरी और पूंछ में जो टेरर अटैक्स होते हैं वो तो ऑर्केस्ट्रेटेड है. When you have this kind of a brazenly reckless and irresponsible opposition, can you imagine what the government is grappling with? It is grappling with the 2.5 front war. And in this, the 0.5, ये अपने खुद के भेदी हैं. घर का भेदी लंका ढाए. और यहाँ पर के भेदी हैं the likes of a Pawan Khera, the likes of a Robert Vadra, the likes of a Jawahar Sirkar, the ex-Rajya Sabha TMC MP. 10 seconds or not, you have to read his tweet. He's written, those killed at Pahalgam were not Hindus or Muslims, but Indians. They were killed by wild beasts who deserve to be shot like them. Look how these people are whitewashing, rationalizing and normalizing radical Islamist terror. They are saying जिन्होंने कत्ल किया वो तो सिर्फ जानवर थे। क्यों भाई? रैबिड इस्लामिस्ट टेरर का नाम लेने में डर क्यों लगता है? लोगों को कलमा पढ़ने के लिए बोला गया, जब उन्होंने मना कर दिया, पूछा गया हिंदू हो क्या, जब उन्होंने हाँ कहा तो गोली से उनका कत्ल कर दिया जाता है। और ऑपोजिशन यहां बोलती है नहीं भाई, मोदी सरकार ने मुसलमानों को वीक कर दिया है ना, इसलिए पहलगाम में मैसेकर हुआ। एंड व्हेन आई क्वेश्चन अ कपल ऑफ कांग्रेसीज ऑन डिबेट्स दैट आई हैव बीन टू, वेरी brazenly and shamelessly they say, oh, you know, Robert Vadra is a private citizen. भाई रॉबर्ट वड्रा इज अ प्राइवेट सिटीजन, तो बीकानेर गुरुग्राम लैंड ग्रैबिंग केस में why are all Congress darbaris and acolytes there on prime time TV?
No, I
private citizen?